Alright, so we're going to look at ratio and proportion. Now you've probably heard a lot of ratios or rates in day-to-day life. So if you think about how fast a car travels, so maybe they're traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. So you can write that 100 kilometers per 1 hour. It can often be written as a ratio as well. 100 kilometers over 1 hour. Or maybe your fuel economy in a car. So maybe you do 9.7 liters per 100 kilometers. So it's just the ratio or the rate of one quantity to another quantity. So it's not too bad. I think it's just the notation or the way we write it could be a little new to some people. Okay, so we can write it either in this first way over here with the colon, so it says 100 kilometers to 1 hour, or we can do it as a fraction, 100 kilometers over 1 hour. So either way works. I'm going to try use this first one here, and we'll look at a couple of examples. So we've got 26 students in a year 10 class, 26 students, there are 14 girls and 12 boys. Express the number of girls to boys. So there are 14 girls to 12 boys. You could also write it as 14 over 12. Now note that 14 over 12 is not the same as 12 over 14, because that's saying there's 12 girls to 14 boys, which is just not right. So we'd write it like this one here, 14 to 12. Okay, we'll look at a second example. We have a survey of the same group of 26 students that showed that 10 students walked to school. So 10 students walked, 11 came by public transport, and 5 were driven. Express as a ratio. So we can express that same way we just did above, but with 3 numbers instead. So maybe we'll do the, we're going to do it express the ratio of the number of students who walked to public transport and then to driven. So we'll start off with the number that walked. So we've got 10 students that walked, 11 came by public transport, and 5 were driven. So that would be our answer there. So not too bad, just kind of new way to write stuff. Great, so have a go at questions 1 to 2 on exercise 1H for me.